Okay, so you just got your first Toyota 4Runner. These are the top 5 things we recommend you do to it first. I'm Sebastian with 4Runner Lifestyle. Let's go through the top 5 mods. Okay, so number 1 on our list today, and one of the easiest things to do, is an interior lighting upgrade. Because the incandescent bulbs that you get in your 4Runner stock have such a low output, it is so necessary to get something LED. We currently have a diode dynamic set up in this 4Runner that turns all of those incandescent bulbs into LEDs and makes things just look 1,000 times better. We also offer options by Meso's Customs and other companies as well. This is definitely a must-have when you're out at night, turn on your light. The last thing you want to do is have to turn on your phone flashlight because you can't see with the stock lighting. Okay, so one of the things I really wanted to showcase when it comes to interior lighting are these Meso Customs hatch lights. They are a huge upgrade from the originals. You don't even really realize that you have them on your 4Runner before you get these. But the cool thing about these is you can turn them on and they're white, or you can click this button and they turn red. This is such a cool option. I love these. This is a must-have. So in our number 2 spot, we recommend you do an interior blackout delete kit. Now what we have to help you do that is a lot of items by AJT as well as in-house items from us that help you cover up any existing silver or chrome. Our AJT packages include these knobs that control your radio, these climate control knobs, as well as covers that go over your door handles that get rid of that chrome door handle cover and make them black. Now this is a TRD Pro, so it already comes with a few blacked out objects, which is really nice. But a lot of other Model 4Runners, they don't have that. And so we sell some packages that will help you delete the entire interior of your car to black. We also recommend that you upgrade your transfer case shift knob as well as your gearbox shift knob. This is a really easy and inexpensive upgrade to add a more rugged look to the inside of your car. I love the handle of this metal one that we have. It just feels better in my hand. And then I do love that the transfer case one matches my gearbox shifter as well. Okay, so number 3 on our list today is going to be some lighting. And what I mean specifically is headlights, fog lights, and tail lights. Now, why is this so important? It's because your stock incandescent bulbs do not have a very good light output. The difference between that and having an LED one is night and day. These are the Form headlights, and we absolutely love them. We also sell options by Alpharex and Morimoto that are great as well. And when it comes down to fog lights, the reason that we recommend fog lights is not only just because of the light output, but it is also a safety thing as well. We did a video previously talking about how yellow or amber lights cut through fog better than white or incandescent bulbs. So we recommend that that be one of the first things that you guys do as well. Part of that lighting upgrade is taillights. These are our stealth taillights that have a sequential turn signal. And the biggest benefit of this is 2 things. Number 1, the reverse light is brighter and it's a lot nicer than that's on your stock vehicle. And number 2, the overall look is a huge update from the original. For those of you that know the 5th Gen 4Runner well, you know that this 5th generation 4Runner has been out for quite some time. And when the taillights in this car first came out, they stayed with it all the way into the 2024 models. And we know that between there's definitely a need for an upgrade. And so this helps you get that little upgrade, that good looking feature. So for sure, taillights are a must. Number 4 on our list today is the AJT key fob, or any upgraded key fob. We carry these in just about any TRD Pro color. It's a huge upgrade from your original one. Just looks better, matches your car, allows a little bit of personalization. Number 5 and last on our list is a roof rack. Why is a roof rack necessary? A roof rack is necessary because it is your foundation. It's what you build everything that you're going to do to the top of your car off of, whether it's recovery gear, light bars, tents, chase lights, anything, you need to have that foundation. We're currently running the Crestone roof rack by Sherpa on our flagship build here, but we also carry racks by Prinsu and other companies that are great options. Be sure to check out our website and see these racks. They are in stock and ready to ship. Okay guys, there you have it. Those are the top 5 recommendations we have for you for when you first get your Toyota 4Runner. Let us know what you guys think. Do you guys agree with us? Do you disagree? Put it down in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.